So guys, it's time to check if you're eligible for your PAWS airdrop. So let's check if I am eligible for my PAWS airdrop. What I want to do now is to open my PAWS app, right, and check eligibility. You can see over here that you can check your eligibility. So you just click on check eligibility, you click on visit website. It brings you over to this place where you can check. So what you want to do now is to come to this point here. You click on claim, check eligibility, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you click on next, like that, and then you can see congratulations, you're eligible for the PAWS airdrop. The token claim hasn't started yet. Stay tuned for news on our channel. We will soon announce updates regarding our listing. So I am eligible, so you should also check yours to see if you are also eligible for your PAWS token. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.